Do you keep in touch with your ex? Oh, okay, that is a really good question. Okay, all right. This question is actually asked to your girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. Okay, not husband, wife actually. Yeah, you could ask this question to husband, wife also. So, yeah, this question is actually a romantic. No, it's not romantic. It's a very serious conversation between the couples. Okay, and when there is a like basically you should suppose to ask this question to your girlfriend or girlfriend ask this question to you that key like are still in touch with your ex. What's the ex? Ex means ex girlfriend, ex wife, ex whatever. Okay, ex boyfriend, ex husband. Yeah, so are you still in touch with that particular person? uh, Again, I already mentioned but still again mention, I didn't really have any girlfriend. I haven't really been on a relationship. I haven't really experienced anything at all, like falling in love and things like that. So probably I didn't really have any ex. Okay, and probably in the future I will not have any of ex because of that. Ki, like let me tell you one thing that I create some sort of boundaries inside of me. Okay, and I let some certain person into her boundary. Okay, what's a boundary? So like I have like a boundaries of couple of friends. Okay, I have boundaries of people that I really like, and I have kind of like a something very special boundaries for significant other. Okay, boundaries का मतलब ये नहीं है कि kind of like that कि I am looking for kind of like a some certain value and skills for friend or people that I like. No, it's not. It's kind of like a something like that कि like I didn't really judge the people. No, it's like that कि I don't know. I don't really think that. Like basically this thing that कि मेरे दोस्त हमेशा दोस्त रहेंगे. Okay. But it's just like that कि if there is a one person who thinks that or I think that कि she might gonna be a kind of like a somebody significant other, तो तभी मैं उस लड़की को उस सिग्निफिकेंट अदर की बाउंड्रीज में लेके आऊँगा. ओके, अगर मुझे लगता है तो. ओके, if that other person is actually trying so much to be get into that boundary, I will not let her. Okay, because ये एक तरह से बाउंड्रीज है जो, and is it kind of like a something really that कि you judge according to the person then you let her in into that boundary? No, it's not. Okay, मैं judge ऐसे नहीं करता. um it's kind of it's kind of like a something really that कि सिचुएशन लाइक सिचुएशन के हिसाब से, पर्सन के हिसाब से, व्हाट इज हर थॉट प्रोसेस एंड दिस एंड दैट, देन आई लेट दैट पर्सन इनटू दैट बाउंड्री. अब तक like basically I am the age of 30. Okay, I am 30 and I never really let anyone into this boundary. Probably this thing कि कोई आप तक आया भी नहीं. Okay, yeah. And basically this thing since the childhood or since I was very introvert person. Okay, like basically from this last 4 year I just kind of like improve myself about everything, this and that and that. So that's why I'm kind of like a something very little bit of extrovert, but still I have that introvert kind of like a thing. So that's why I never really been on relationship, I never really have any girlfriend. Okay, but in the future I might have kind of like a something really hold some certain personality, that personality, yeah, because I know things will happen good. Okay, so most of the people are try to cross that boundary. How would you kind of like a something protect yourself? Well, it's just like that I shouldn't supposed to protect myself. It's not. Okay, like basically it's this thing that I don't know, it's kind of like something very different. Okay, मैंने कभी like I don't really have kind of like a something type or category or kind of like a list of things that I should tick mark on check box that कि हाँ इसमें ये है, she's thought process really good, she looks really good, हाँ चलो तू आ जा. No, it's not. Okay, it I think that कि probably I might know about that thing. Okay, because प्यार हो जाता है, आप सोचते समझते नहीं, इट्स नॉट अ इंटरव्यू, एक तरह से हो जाता है, ओके। एंड probably is this thing that I never really have an experience about anything at all, so it's just like that ki I'm not really sure what will happen, okay. I say that ki I have a little bit of boundary, but still in the future it's really unpredictable na, and it's very different than you think it is. So how would you probably guess that what is exactly right or wrong for you? Obviously you will make mistakes, okay. So probably at this moment I am not really sure about that ki who will be person in B, like I don't know, yeah. But the question is actually very different. Question is that ki are you actually are still touching with your ex? No. Probably I didn't have any of ex, okay, yeah. Next question.